Water gun fights in 2026 are nothing like they were when you were a kid. And if you're still showing up with a cheap squirt gun, you're going to lose, badly. The best electric water guns this year hit harder, reload faster, and shoot further than anything from the old playbook. I tested 5 of the best, so you show up prepared. Let's get into it. The Spira electric water blaster is in a category of its own. And if you want the most technologically advanced water gun on this list, look no further. Spira engineered this blaster with a digital water pressure display, an electric pump that reloads from any water source in seconds, and a precision shot mechanism that fires a defined burst of water rather than a wild stream. That precision matters in a real water fight. You know exactly how much water you're firing. You can aim accurately at range, and the electric reload means you're never caught manually pumping while your opponent is already soaking you. The durable construction is built for repeated hard use, and the ergonomic grip makes extended battles genuinely comfortable. The LED display showing shot count and battery level is a detail that sounds gimmicky until you're actually in the middle of a battle and need to know if you're about to run dry. Range is excellent, significantly further than standard pump action water guns. The Super Soaker. Dunkfill 2-pack is the smart buy for families, birthday parties, and any scenario where you need 2 ready-to-go water guns without spending a fortune on each one. Super Soaker's Dunkfill design eliminates the frustration of trying to fill a water gun from a tap with a tiny nozzle. Just dunk the gun in any bucket, pool, or container of water, and it fills instantly. That rapid refill mechanic keeps the battle moving, but without the long pause of traditional filling methods, which is exactly what keeps kids engaged and the fun going. The pump action mechanism delivers a satisfying, powerful stream with solid range for the size, and the ergonomic grip suits both kids and adults comfortably. The 2-pack format means you're instantly ready for a one-on-one match with no arguments about who gets the better gun. Both guns are identical, so the fight is decided by skill and strategy, not equipment. The Super Soaker Hydro Frenzy is the high-output, maximum-soaking water blaster for players who want raw volume over precision. And in a chaotic group water fight, that strategy wins every time. The Hydro Frenzy is built around a large-capacity water reservoir and a pump action mechanism that delivers a wide, heavy stream that drenches opponents faster than narrower precision blasters. The wide nozzle output means you don't need to be a sharpshooter to get someone thoroughly wet. Point and pump, and the coverage does the work for you. The large tank capacity means fewer refills and more time in the battle, which is a meaningful tactical advantage during sustained group fights. Super Soaker's build quality is legendary in the water gun category. Decades of refinement show in the durability of every component, and this gun handles the kind of drops, throws, and rough handling that happens in the heat of a summer battle without cracking or leaking. The ergonomic body and comfortable grip handle well for kids from around 8 years old and up, and the size is satisfying enough that adults genuinely enjoy using it too. The Spira 3 is Spira's top-tier precision water blaster, and it's the most sophisticated, most technically impressive water gun on this entire list. Building on the foundation of the original Spira, the Spira 3 introduces tank versus tank battles through the Spira tag system, where each gun tracks hits and displays a real-time health bar on the built-in digital display. That transforms a casual water fight into a genuinely structured competitive game, with rules, stakes, and a clear winner. A level of gamification that has never existed in a water gun before. The electric pump fills from any water source in seconds, and the precision shot fires a defined water bullet accurately at ranges that far exceed anything in the traditional pump action category. The digital display shows remaining shots, battery level, and in Spira tag mode, your health status, giving you real tactical information during the battle. Closing out the list with the Super Soaker Twister, and this one earns its spot as the most visually spectacular, most uniquely satisfying water gun on the list. The Twister fires a rotating, tornado-shaped stream of water that spins as it travels, creating a distinctive spray pattern that's both visually striking and surprisingly effective at soaking a target. It's the water gun that gets noticed the moment you pull it out, and that visual impact is half the fun of a summer water fight. The pump action mechanism is smooth and reliable, delivering consistent output with each stroke, and the large reservoir keeps you in the battle without constant refills. Super Soaker's reliable build quality handles the inevitable drops and rough treatment of outdoor play, and the ergonomic body suits kids and adults comfortably. The Twister's unique stream pattern means that even near misses result in some soaking coverage, making it more forgiving of imperfect aim than narrow precision blasters. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because summer gear sells out fast. If this helped you find the right water gun, smash that like button and subscribe to Tech Hack for honest gear and tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.